Baby, it's a love affair, it's a love affair, yeah. Oh, oh, I got it, it runs in my blood, oh. I love it, you already know, oh. I think my cousin, I'm lucky, you know, oh. It's my love affair, yeah.
Hello beauty queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Mrs. V. If you are new here and have not already became a part of the Beauty Addicts family, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I applied this beautiful synthetic lace wig by Sensationnel. We're going to go ahead and first start off with the construction of this cap. This cap comes with an HD lace, pre-plucked with baby hairs. The lace is simply gorgeous. It is a light lace, not a dark lace. It also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it has an adjustable strap. The length of this lace is really long. It has to be at least 28 to 32 inches long. It is super long, ladies. So be ready for this unit whenever you get it. The lace on this unit is also gorgeous. As you can see, it does says that it is pre-plucked. Let me let you guys see a little bit closer how that pre-plucking looks. I am still going to go in and pre-pluck my unit a little bit more because I feel like I like to pluck my own units to make it look a little bit more natural and just to break up the hairline just a little bit more. I'm going to go in with my hot comb to go ahead and lay down the baby hairs. I like to take away the baby hairs just so I can see if I need a little bit more plucking. The baby hairs gives me a option to pluck a little bit more and to break the hairline up a little bit more. I also use tweezers to pluck my hairline, so I'm going to go in with my tweezers. I like to start a little bit behind the hairline instead of going right at the front of the hairline. As you guys can see, I am plucking behind the hairline, not in the front of the hairline. So that allows me enough to kind of go in and not make any mistakes when plucking. We're going to go in and prepare to spray down my hairline with this BeadHead hairspray. And you guys, this was my first time ever applying this or ever using this BeadHead hairspray. When I tell you guys, it was so hard for me to actually lift up this lace. I almost felt like I should have cut the lace first, then go in and spray the hairspray, because it was just a whole lot. You're gonna see within watching this video how it was a little tough for me to cut off the lace. I don't really get this issue whenever I apply using the Got2b Install, but I'm gonna tell you guys, the unit laid down so good with this BeadHead hair by TiGi. So definitely watch me as I go ahead and try to remove the extra lace as much as I can. When I'm telling you guys, look at me. I am struggling. I know you're laughing because I am watching this video. But it was so hard to come up, ladies. That's when I knew this was the best, probably going to be one of my favorite hairsprays to work with. Okay ladies, another thing about this wig, as you guys can see, this wig ear tabs does not come all the way down to my earlobes. Like, it doesn't even go past my ear. Like, it stops right at the top of my ear. So ladies, right here, using this BeadHead, I went ahead and applied a little bit more hairspray around just to see how it was going to hold down with me applying it onto my head. And when I tell you, you ladies, it did its job. You're going to see within the video how it looked after I took off that headband. It was gorgeous. Okay ladies, I'm going to go ahead and take off this headband. Oh my god, my head was hurting so bad. But look how it just melted. Yes, honey. Then I use my Dream Urban Cover concealer. I use this pretty much on my parting space. I love the way it looks and the way it feels. So I put that on my parting space after I detangled the hair. And blended it in right there at the part. I did apply a lot of this on my actual skin as well as the hairline, so you can kind of get a better blend, and I feel like that gives you the better blend. Okay ladies, right here where I am putting the hair, that's where the ear tabs actually stopped. So look how flawlessly it blended in to my hair. It just, you really can't tell that I even have any hair out. So that made me happy. And it wasn't even coming up. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on some baby hairs. You guys know I like to do my grown-up swoops. So we're going to go ahead and bring those grown-up swoops down. Y'all know I like to lay just a little bit of baby hair. I don't like to do too much, just so it can look natural. I'll go ahead and use that 3-in-1 mousse, which is one of my favorite mousse, just to kind of wet the hair down a little bit. I like this mousse because it's not flaky at all. And then I use a little bit of gel just to set it in place. You guys can use whatever's your favorite gel. I use the natural gel that I normally use when I'm doing my natural hair, and that gel is going to be the Extreme Wet Bot in the wet line. It's my favorite. It does not flake for me, so I just felt like it wouldn't flake for whenever I'm applying my units, and it doesn't. It does a beautiful job. I don't have any flakiness. And I'm going in again with a little bit of heat just to get that laid down, make it look more smooth and nice and pretty. Yes. Okay, we're going to go in with the information about this unit. This unit was brought to you by the Butta lace from the What Lace collection. It is in the color 2. The style is the Butta Unit 3. It is heat safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The lace is HD lace, and it does have a lace center middle part. It does come with baby hairs. More information about this unit will have the links below. So ladies, if you're interested in this unit, go ahead and click on the links below. They will be provided for you. We're going to go ahead and talk about the texture of this wig. This wig is a more yucky to silky texture. It's like an in-between. So I really do like the way this hair feels. It's really soft. I haven't had any tangles or anything since I've been wearing this wig, and I probably had this wig on for a couple of days since I decided to film this part of the wig review. So the cardstock says this wig is heat resistant. Portion of my hair down very well, so I do like the fact that this is heat resistant, so you can definitely use it to like lay down like the parts of your hair that you need to lay down. So this cap size is big head girl friendly. If your cap size is about 22 or bigger, I'll say probably around 24 inches, 22 to 24 inches. You definitely can wear this. It's still a little bit big on me, and I am a cap size 22, so I'm average. If you do have a smaller head, you could definitely wear this wig as well, because it does have adjustable straps, so you can make it fit. So definitely this cap size is about, I'll say, average to big head girl friendly. Lace construction on this wig, it is like a T-part lace construction. It doesn't give you a whole lot of lace front, but the way that they have the laces HD makes it very, very easy to put this wig on and makes it look really, really natural. Literally, I didn't have to really do too much to this wig. The only thing that I will probably do different is spray this wig with my Ebene lace tint, because it was a little light for my liking. It came to look a little bit ashy to me because I didn't use it. So definitely, if you think you need like a lace tint, you could definitely use this on this wig, because it is HD transparent lace. Okay ladies, so we're going to go ahead and do a full 360 of me in this wig. So of course you guys know this is the front of the wig, and this is going to be the side of the wig, and this is your back, and like I said, it comes all the way past my butt. Alright, this is going to be your left side of the wig. Okay, let's talk about the hairspray that I laid my lace down with. So first of all, the hairspray is phenomenal. My last few videos, I have been testing and trying out different hairsprays. I can definitely tell you that the BeadHead TiGi hard hairspray is probably one of my favorites, and that's because on the ear tabs of this wig, it stopped at about right here, ladies. So the rest of my ear tabs on this wig is out. This hairspray is the only hairspray that I've ever used that it was able to spray down on my hair, and it looked very, very natural. Like literally, it's this wig unit, because it doesn't go, the ear tabs doesn't cover all the way from the bottom of your ear. Your ear tabs are pretty much way up to here. The BeadHead, because of its hold, it allows that lace to lay exactly where you want it to lay. With leaving, say I wanted to leave a little bit of my edges out, you could definitely do that, and especially like leave a little bit of your hair out around your ear. And I actually like that a little bit better, because I don't want to lay the lace actually over my hairline, anything on my natural hairline. And I tend to find out when I lay lace down, when it comes all the way down here by my ears, my hair, my baby hair sits really, really low, and I don't like to shave that off. I think to me that gives me a more natural feel right there than to shave all of that off. So using this BeadHead TGR Hardhead Extra Strong Hairspray, honey, this is the best thing I found on the market. In the beginning, I was having a little bit of issue with laying that BeadHead down, because this was my first time ever working with this hairspray. It took me a little bit of time to get adjusted to actually being able to use the hairspray. But once I figured it out that you don't really need a lot, a little bit actually goes a long way. It melted seamlessly in with my skin, and I just feel like this hairspray is probably the best right now on the market.
I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and remember ladies, like and hit that notifications bell so you will be notified when we post another video. And remember ladies, if you ain't laid, then you ain't slaying. Bye my beautiful dolls.